Hello wonderful people, it's your boy Steven and this is another crypto video on how to make money online and how to make passive income, on how to leverage your time and how to have multiple streams of income so that there are different channels through which your money can come in and gain, and at the end of the day you have much more. And the idea is to be free to have time to do that which you want, because we want not to work for money, but money is supposed to be a tool to work for us to produce more money, for us to live the good life that we intend to live. Having said that, I want to thank you for stopping by to watch my video. It's always a pleasure to have someone and anyone come and visit by my channel. Okay, today I bring another video, Debitum Ico, Debitum Network. So basically this company, these people are working to help the small and medium enterprises, because they realize it's hard for small and medium enterprises to get financing. This is because financial institutions like banks are making it hard to provide money for small and medium enterprises. So what they're going to do, they're going to finance these kind of business people and business entities by providing them the finances. But now they're adding the blockchain technology, and blockchain technology is the next wonder of the world, I think, because it's going to revolutionize everything from the banking sector to how things are done, and many people will be left stunned. So they've just added this technology to make it much better. So they're going to have their own coin, and as their coin becomes stronger and stronger, as people are getting money from them and all their financing people, things are going to be better. So it's solving a problem. The idea about ICO is to look for a company or people who are trying to solve a problem, and their problem is to solve small and medium businesses, which is very, very, very good. They're saying this is the problem. There's a $2 trillion credit gap which they're trying to solve. So far, so good. They did. There was a pitching for ICOs and they won the best ICO pitch. So meaning their idea is very, very, very relevant. So basically, you jump in, you have to have Ethereum to purchase the coins, and once you purchase the coins, you wait for the magic, because it's going to X big time. It's going to X big time. Trust me, this one is going to X big time. So you will check all the things, the roadmap, if you want final details of what they are going to be doing. But for me, I look at the financial part of it, that if I put my money, that means 5x or 10x in 1 or 2 months period of time. And yeah, this is true. If things go the way we are thinking they will go, blockchain becoming prominent and people see how beneficial it is, then definitely people will buy into the idea. So what we basically do, there's a link under this description, under this video. Click, sign up, put your Ethereum in, and you get a 10% discount. Now if you don't have money, they have an affiliate program. If you don't have money, they have an affiliate program discount. You look for the affiliate link, or you come here. Let me show you where it's supposed to go. They didn't have any money to do. A lot of places you come to the affiliate program. You click the affiliate program, then it will bring you to this page where you'll have to get a referral link, and then you need to sign up and stuff. But this is the idea. If someone puts any money on the referral link, you get 7% commission, which you pay either Ethereum or using the Debitum tokens, whichever you choose. So just sign up, get the link, share with other people. But if you have the money, just put it to get the bonus. I hope. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to find a way to make money online and also share with other people my journey, what I'm doing, what I'm going through. And I'm hoping together we can make some money. That's the idea. So thank you for stopping by. It's your boy Steven. Wish you all the best. Have faith risk or invest what you are willing to lose because anything can happen. Just have some faith and believe. Otherwise, bless you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next.